Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. Children, today we will complete chapter number 13, Meena's Pet Bird. Today we will complete the exercises. Okay, let's begin. Children, take out page number 59. We will do second exercise. Rani's pet is a pretty black bird. It has thin red legs. The words pretty and black tell us what Rani's pet looks like. Okay? They describe the bird. The word pretty and black describes the bird. The words thin and red tell us what its legs look like. Okay, the leg is thin and red. They describe the bird's leg. The words pretty, black, thin and red are called describing words. Children, we know describing words, isn't it? Describing words are those words which tells us more about naming words, right? Find the describing words in the following sentences. So, we have to tell which is describing words in this sentence. Okay? Meena's pet was a green bird. So, which is describing word? Green. Right. Underline green and write green here. Green is describing word. B. It had a red beak and a long tail. So, which are describing words, children? Red and long. Red describes beak and long describes tail. So, write red and long. See, it jumps on to the thick rod. How is the rod? Rod is thick. So, thick is describing word, right? So, write thick. Turn the page. D. The bird is given a good bath every day. Underline good. This is describing word. Bath is good. So, good is describing word. Write good. E. Its wet wings look pretty. The wet wings look pretty. So, pretty is describing word. Write pretty. Okay. Now, moving to question number 3. Meena is fond of her parrot. Children, what do you mean by fond? What do you mean by fond? Fond means having a liking for someone or something, or doing something a lot. Okay? She would like to have a bird that talks. Okay? A. Write about 3 things you are fond of. Now you have to write 3 things about which you are fond of, you like or you like to do. Okay? Use complete sentences. So, children, take out your notebook. Write today's date, 18/12/2020. Put the heading Meena's pet bird. Write exercises 3A. Okay? So, we have to write 3 things we are fond of. So, this is just an example, children. You have to write your own things which you are fond of. Okay? I am just giving you few examples. Like, I am fond of fishes. I am fond of swimming. You may write, I am fond of dancing, playing football, whatever you like. I am very fond of my younger brother. So, here I have written 3 sentences. You can change your sentence according to your own liking. Okay? Next, B. Write in about 12 words what you would like to have. So you have to write 12 things what would you would like to have. Here again I am writing the things I am fond of or I like to have. You may change these words according to your own liking. Okay. Toys, books, pencil, eraser, sharpener, ruler, bag, dresses, shoes, watch, jackets, caps. Okay, you can write words according to your own choice. Okay, now the last question. Draw a cage with a parrot in it. What we have to do? We have to draw a cage with a parrot. Color the parrot. So what we have to do? We have to draw a cage with a parrot and then we have to color the parrot, right? See, I have drawn a parrot in a cage and I have also colored it. So you have to do the same. Okay. That's all for today, children. I hope you enjoyed the class. Enjoy coloring. Enjoy writing. That's all. See you in the next class. Bye bye, children.